The snake cloth is a very powerful cloth, and really, the snake is an ancient form of symbology. This cloth right here is for those initiates who are gifted healers. These initiates are the type of healers that heal specifically with energy. These healers do not use herbs. There is a cloth for those healers who only use healing herbs. This specific cloth right here is for the energy healers, abantu abalapha ngomoya, or even abantu abalapha ngedlozi. The serpent is a symbol of idlozi, so these people use this idlozi to heal people. The healers of this cloth are the Sangoma and they are the Sanusi. The Isangoma and the Isanusi are actually connected. These two initiates belong to the same lineage and their mysteries are the same. Isangoma by definition is a person of song. She is a drum person.